The Bikoney guitar wall hanger bracket securely supports acoustic, electric, bass, and smaller folk instruments while keeping them safely off the floor and away from pets or children. Its solid wood shelf with a distressed vintage-style finish looks like real furniture, so it doubles as wall decor rather than just a plain utility hook. A padded yoke with protective lining cradles the neck and helps prevent scratches, making it suitable for displaying nicer instruments without worry. The integrated top shelf, pick slots, and multiple metal hooks give you a handy place to keep straps, tuners, capos, and other small accessories together with the guitar. Mounting hardware and straightforward instructions are included, so installation on a solid wall is quick even for someone who is not very experienced with tools. With its combination of sturdy construction, attractive rustic design, and practical storage, it works well both as a daily use hanger and as a thoughtful gift for guitar players.